right, now I've seen these Cybertrucks before, man, and this is one of those patriotic Cybertrucks, man. And, I mean, I'm talking it. That's the gift that just keeps on giving, man. That is some sweet. That's a sweet ass Cybertruck. That is all right, man. Go ahead, let me get that full view of you, man. Come on now. I know you got something. I know you got something under that hood now. Let me get it, man. Let me get it, man. Speed up. Come on now. Ah, no, got that restrictor in there.